Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you fine. So children, see that in that previous video we discussed the total concept 3 complete and no theory part. So here in this video we are going to discuss that worksheet 3 problems. Okay. So worksheet 3 first problem what they given here. So children, before going to do these problems, just we have to be ready with values of 18 degrees, 36 degrees, so many already we discussed, no? So we should be ready with that angles. If anybody didn't see that video, once see that video, after that follow this one. Okay. So see children, so 3 cos 72 degrees minus 4 sin 18 degrees. Okay. So how to simplify this? See, 3 cos of 72 degrees minus 4 sin of 18 degrees. So children, we know that one thing, here sin 18 degrees and here cos 72 degrees given. Okay, by seeing that question only we will get that one of the idea. What is that? Here sin 18 degrees is nothing but equals to cos 72 degrees. Yes or no? Okay, in that first value what we find that there I told you that sin 18 degrees is equal to cos 72 degrees. How it will be means sin of 90 degrees minus 72 degrees, then we will get it as cos 72 degrees. So that's why we can say that sin 18 degrees is equal to cos 72 degrees. Am I clear? So here what is the value of sin 18 degrees as well as cos 72 degrees? That is 3 into root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, minus of 4 into root 5 minus 1 by 4. Clear ma? So here this value we need to find out. So if you want to do that simplification or do that, or else here we can take that, similarly take this one as some theta. Okay. So let theta is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Let here some theta is equal to or theta or some x, that is your wish, which is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So here 3 theta minus 4 theta, 3 theta minus 4 theta. So here which is equals to minus theta, which is equals to minus theta. So at the place of theta what we taken here, square root of 5, which is equals to minus of square root of 5 minus 1 by 4. Am I clear ma? Okay, or else if you want to simplify this one, then simplify it. Here 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Okay. Next, you can take that 3 by 4 as common and here root 5 minus 1, okay, minus of root 5 minus 1, okay. So, in this way also you can do that simplification, okay. So, directly this is easy to simplify that. So, that is why instead of this one you can take that theta or x or whatever it may be, take that any variable, understand ma. So, here what is that answer? Minus of square root of 5 minus 1 by 4. So, which option is correct here? Yes, option 1 is correct here. Understand? Yes. So, let us see that next question. See here ma, second question. So, 3 sin 6 degrees, 3 sin 6 degrees minus 4 cos cube 84 degrees, 4 cos cube 84 degrees. So, here first see that, leave that sin 6 degrees as it is. Okay, just do that some modifications here. We can write that cos 84 we can write that 90 minus 6 degrees. 90 minus 6 is equal to 84 only, no? So, that is why here whole cube. Again we will get it as cos cube of 90 minus 6. So, here we will get this one as 3 sin 6 degrees minus 4 into here cos 90 minus theta. So, cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. So, sin theta, theta is here 6 degrees and here cube is there, no. So, that is why here 4 sin cube theta. Okay. So, when you observe this one, see children, here this is in the form of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. In the same form only, no, just compare those two. Okay. Now, here at the place of theta, here we are having that 6. So, which is equals to, here this is the formula of sin 3 theta. Okay. Yes or no? This is the formula for that sin 3 theta. So, which is equals to sin of 3 into, at the place of theta we are having here 6. So which is equals to sine 3 into 6 is equal to 18 degrees. Okay. So sine 18 degrees, what is that value ma? Sine 18 degrees? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So which option is correct? Yes. Option 1 is correct. Okay. Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Am I clear, children? Yes. So let us see that next question. See here. This is very, very important question. See here ma. So cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 4 by 5. 4 pi by 5. So this value we need to find out. So how to find? So first see here, cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 4 pi by 5. Okay. So we can write this one as cos square of pi minus 2 pi by 5. Shall we write like that? Okay. Pi minus 2 pi by 5. So see here, pi minus 2 pi by 5. Again take that LCM. 5 into pi is equal to 5 pi minus 2 pi by 5. So 5 minus 2 is equals to again 3 pi by 5. What is that? 3 pi by 5. Okay. So that one only we written like this, pi minus 2 pi by 5. Okay. So plus this one we can write it as cos square of pi minus pi by 5. Pi minus pi by 5. So pi minus pi by 5, simplify that. 5 into pi is equals to 5 pi minus pi by 5. So 4 pi by 5. So again we are getting that 4 pi by 5 no. Okay. So that's why we change it like this. So after that what we will get ma here? Cos square of pi minus 2 pi by 5. Okay. So cos of 180 minus theta, pi means 180 only no. So cos of 180 minus theta, what you will get here? Again you will get it as cos theta only no. But here minus cos theta will come. But here square is there means minus into minus, we will get it as positive. So directly we can write this one as cos square 2 pi by 5. Cos square 2 pi by 5 plus, and this one also same, cos square pi by 5. Okay ma. So here I want to write one of the term in terms of sign. In terms of sign. So I want to write this one as 1 minus sine square 2 pi by 5. 1 minus sine square 2 pi by 5. Okay. Plus cos square pi by 5. Here which formula I used that? So cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. So from this one, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So this formula I use it here. Understand ma? So now we have to write this one as 1 plus cos square pi by 5 minus sine square 2 pi by 5. Sine square 2 pi by 5. Okay. Now here cos square A minus sine square B. Cos square A minus sine square B. In that form only no. So cos square A minus sine square B. Cos square A minus sine square B. This is the formula for that. Cos of A plus B. A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B formula only no, that is. Okay. So that formula apply here. Then what you will get? See 1 plus, again I am writing this one, see here, 1 plus cos square pi by 5 minus sine square 2 pi by 5. Okay. 1 plus cos square pi by 5 minus sine square 2 pi by 5. Okay. At the place of this one, we have to write that formula no. So instead of that, we can write this one as cos of A plus B. So A plus B pi by 5 plus 2 pi by 5. Okay. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B pi by 5 minus 2 pi by 5. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So which is equals to 1 plus cos of, here we can write this one as 3 pi by 5. 3 pi by 5. Okay, into here this one we can write it as cos of here pi by 5 minus 2 pi by 5. So we will get this one as cos of minus pi by 5. Cos of minus pi by 5. So which is equals to 1 plus cos 3 pi by 5 into cos pi by 5. Cos of minus theta is plus theta only now again. So which is equals to 1 plus cos 3 pi by 5. So 3 pi by 5. How we can write? 3 into pi means 180 by 5. So 5 3 is 15 and here 30 is there, no? So 5 6 30. So 3 into 36. 3 into 36, that is nothing but okay 108 degrees. So we can write this one as cos of 108 degrees. Understand? Into cos pi by 5. So pi by 5 means here 180 by 5. So which means here 36 degrees. So that is cos 36 degrees. Understand, ma'am? So here from this one 1 plus cos 108 degrees, we can write this one as cos of 90 degrees plus 18 degrees. Shall we write like this? 90 plus 18. Again we will get it as 108. So into cos 36 degrees. So from this one 1 here plus will come or minus will come, that is depends on that cos, no? So cos 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta means that is second quadrant. So 90 plus theta means that is second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos is positive or negative? Negative only, no? So that's why here minus, and here cos 90 plus theta is there. So cos 90 plus theta means sin theta. So minus sin 18 degrees into cos 36 degrees. Clear, ma? So here onwards you have to substitute that values. So 1 minus, again I am writing that one, see here, 1 minus sin 18 degrees into cos 36 degrees. Okay, so sin 18 degrees formula, value is 1 minus of root 5 minus 1 by 4. And here cos 36 degrees value is square root of 5 plus 1 by 4. Yes or no? Okay, so which is equals to 1 minus of root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 whole by 4 4 16. So which is equals to 16 minus 16 into 1, which is equals to 16 minus a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. A square minus b square whole by 16. So which is equals to, here square and root gets cancelled. So 16 minus of 5 minus 1 is 4. So 16 minus 4 by 16, which is equals to 12 by 16. Okay. So after cancellation what we will get? 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 16. So which is equals to 3 by 4. Which is equals to 3 by 4. So what is our answer, ma, here? So which option is correct? Yes, option 4 is correct. Here 3 by 4 is there. Okay, that is answer for 3 by 4. Okay, am I clear to you? So this is that third question. So first we have to change this one, 3 pi by 5, we can write this one as pi minus 2 pi by 5. Okay, and in the similar way this one also you have to change that. After the same process you have to follow that. But here some formulas there. So first you have to learn that which formula where we have to use. Okay, which formula we have to use and where we have to use. Okay, first that thing you have to see. Okay, okay, ma, see the next question. So see here next question. If 0 is less than, theta is less than pi by 2. Okay, which means theta is lies in between pi by 2 to and here 0. So which means which one, ma? Here this is 0 and this is 90 degrees. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90 only, no? So that's why. So theta is in that Q1. Theta is in Q1, quadrant 1. Okay. So here what they are given? Sin 2 theta is equals to cos 3 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to cos 3 theta. So already this proof we done in that at the time of sin 18 degrees. Okay, that one only they given like this. Okay ma. So see here. So sin 2 theta formula, what is that? 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, so from this one, here we can write this one as 2 sin theta into cos theta, which is equals to, from this one take that cos theta as common. Okay, so 4 cos square theta minus 3. So here cos theta and cos theta gets cancelled. So from this one, 2 sin theta is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. Okay, so RHS simplify there. 2 sin theta is equal to 4 into cos square theta. How we can write? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta minus 3. So simplify this. 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3. So from this one, 4 minus 3 is 1 minus 4 sin square theta. Okay, so from this one what we can write ma? Here 1 minus 4 sin square theta is equal to 2 sin theta. Okay, is equal to 2 sin theta. Okay ma, so this one how we can write? 1 minus 4 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. Okay, so this is in which form here? Actually this is not in that form. We have to convert into that quadratic equation form. Okay, so we can write this one as, I want to multiply this total equation by negative sign. Okay, 0 is there means no problem. So see here. So 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So again this is quadratic equation in terms of sin theta. Quadratic equation in terms of sin theta. So what is the quadratic formula here? Sin theta is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. C is minus 1 no? Whole by 2a. 2 into a is 4. Already you are habituated with this one no ma? So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. When that equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. To that one here, which formula this is? Quadratic formula to find that roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so here minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square 4 and 4 4 16. So minus into minus plus 16 whole by 2 4s 8. Okay, so which is equals to minus 2 plus or minus 16 plus 4 is 20 whole by 8. Okay ma. So here take that 2 as common. We can write this one as minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5. 2 roots of 4, 4 5 is 20. Already I told you this one ma, that's why I am saying like this. So from this one here we can take that 2 as common. Okay, so take that 2 as common, then what you will get here? Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 whole by 8. So 2 once and here 2 4 times. Okay, so from this one what we can write? Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 by 4. Here positive or negative this is? Positive only. Why? Because sine 18 degrees is greater than 0. Okay, why? Because sine 0 degrees is greater than 0, no? So that's why sine 18 degrees value, no, here we are getting. So that's why here answer is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So root 5 minus 1 by 4, that is the value of sine 18 degrees. Understand? So here what is that answer? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so which option is correct ma here? Yes, option 1 is correct. Am I clear to you? At the time of proof, this total one I explained you. So once again this one came into that problem, so I explained this one. Okay, so children see here, quadratic equation related questions they given. So I will explain you that concept here, how much required up to here. Okay, that leftover concept we will discuss after that. Transformations after you have that functions, no functions after you have that quadratic equations. There we will discuss about this one very briefly. Okay, so up to now see that what they given. A quadratic equation whose roots are tan 22.5 degrees and cot 22.5 degrees. So what they are saying, we know that quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here how many roots are there to this equation? We know that here the highest power is 2, which means the degree of the equation is 2. If the degree of the equation is 2 means how many roots are there? 2 roots are there. So this is having 2 roots now. So let the roots are alpha comma beta. So here 2 distinct roots, and sometimes we may get that equal roots and we may get that imaginary roots. Okay, that one we will discuss briefly in that concept. Okay, so up to now see here, they given that roots. Okay, what are the roots? Here one is tan 22.5 degrees, another one is cot 22.5 degrees. Okay, so let alpha is equals to, here what is that first root ma? Tan 22.5 degrees. Why? Because alpha and beta we taken as roots, no? Generally we are saying that when as alpha and beta are the roots of that quadratic equation. Okay, so that roots, actually we have to find out the roots, but here they only given that roots. We need to find that equation by using the roots. Understand the question? Sometimes they will give that equation. From that equation we have to find the roots. Okay, but here this type of questions, this kind of questions, what they given means they given the roots. By using the roots we have to find this equation. Understand ma? Okay, so see here, alpha is equals to tan 22.5 degrees and beta is equals to, what is the second root here? Cot 22.5 degrees. Okay, so tan 22.5 degrees, what is the value of tan 22? Root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Okay, already we did this one, no? Next, cot 22.5 degrees is root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1. These two are that values. Here say that if the roots are given, the quadratic equation is, if the roots are given, then the quadratic equation is, here we have that one form, that is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation form. When we can use this one? If that roots are given, then we have to use this equation. Okay, just we have to substitute that values here, then we will get that one of the equation like that. Okay, so see here, x square minus alpha plus beta and here alpha beta. So here alpha plus beta means sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta means sum of the roots. Okay, just we have to add that roots. So alpha plus beta means here tan 22.5 degrees plus cot 22.5 degrees. Okay ma. So sum of the roots, which is equals to tan 22.5 degrees is root 2 minus 1 plus cot 22.5 degrees is root 2 plus 1. Okay. So is there any cancellations ma? Yes. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So root 2 plus root 2, that is 2 root 2. So here we got that sum of the roots is equal to 2 root 2. Sum of the roots 2 root 2. Next, alpha beta. In that equation only there here, alpha into beta is there. So alpha into beta means that is the product of the roots. Okay ma. So here alpha into beta. So tan 22.5 degrees into cot 22.5 degrees, which is equals to 1. Why? Because the tan into cot always equals to 1, we know that. Tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. What is the proof means? Here tan theta into 1 by cot theta means 1 by tan theta. Tan theta gets cancelled. So, here we are getting that one as 1. Okay, ma. So, here product of the roots. So, alpha beta value is equal to 1. We got the two values. What are those? Alpha plus beta is equals to 2 root 2. And alpha into beta is equals to 1. Now here we need to find that equation. So if the roots are given, then what is that equation form? That is x square minus alpha plus beta sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Okay. So here x square as it is we have to write, and alpha plus beta. So sum of the roots is equals to 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 into x plus product of the roots is equals to, we got it as 1. Okay. So product of the roots alpha into beta is equals to 1. So this is that required equation. This is that required equation. What is the required equation? X square minus 2 root 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Understand, ma? So this equation is there in that options are not, see here. X square minus 2 root 2x plus 1. Okay. This one only they given as root 2x. X square minus 2 root 2x. X square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So which option is correct, ma, here? Yes, option 1 is correct. Okay. So see that next question. Yes, see that next question, ma. A quadratic equation whose roots are tan 15 degrees and cot 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees and cot 15 degrees. So this is also just like that previous one only. Okay. So here also take that. Let alpha is equals to tan 15 degrees and beta is equals to cot 15 degrees. Alpha and beta are the roots of that quadratic equation. So here also by using that roots we have to find that quadratic equation. Okay. So tan 15 we can write it as tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Shall we write like this, ma? 45 minus 30, 15 only, no? So that's why. So how we can write this? Tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b. And here this one we can write it as cot of 45 degrees minus 30. Shall we write like that? Yes. So first simplify that, tan of 45 degrees minus 30. So which is equals to tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B. At the place of B we are having 30, no? Okay. So tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B. Okay. So tan 45 degrees 1 minus tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Yes or no, ma? Tan 30 degrees value whole by 1 plus, here tan 45 is 1 only. So 1 into tan 30 again tan 30. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Okay. So simplify this one first. So root 3 into 1 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 whole by, here root 3 into 1, root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay. So root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. So from this one, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So that is the value of tan 45 minus 30 degrees. So tan 45 minus 30 means here root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, ma. So here cot means that is 1 by tan only, no? So 1 by tan which is equals to 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So which is equals to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Understand, ma? So these two are the values of tan 15 degrees and cot 15 degrees. Okay. So see here. So tan 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. And here cot 15 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Actually these two are that roots of the quadratic equation. So here also we have to find that sum of the roots and product of the roots, no? So sum of the roots. So sum of the roots means alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta means tan 15 degrees plus cot 15 degrees. So tan 15 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now simplify this. What is the LCM of root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1? So here we have to take the product of these two, root 3 minus 1, and here cross multiplication we have to take root 3 minus 1 whole square plus root 3 plus 1 whole square. Okay. So root 3 minus 1 whole square, this is a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. Okay. So what we will get here? So directly also we can say that a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here addition only, no. So after adding, what you will get here? 2 times of a square plus b square. So here 2 times of a square plus b square means 1 square, whole by a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 1 square, that is again 1 only, no. So no problem. So square and root gets cancelled. Here also square and root gets cancelled. So which is equals to 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 4, whole by 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So here we got that 4 as that result for that sum of the roots. Okay. So we got that sum of the roots is equal to 4. Now what is the product of roots? Alpha beta, product of roots. So product what we will get, ma? Tan 15 degrees into cot 15 degrees. So tan into cot, again you will get it as 1 only, no. Okay, tan and cot product they given means that resultant is 1. So here alpha beta is equal to 1. And we know that if the roots are given, then what is that quadratic equation? X square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Understand, ma? So here x square minus alpha plus beta, 4 into x, the alpha into beta, that is 1. So this is the required equation. That is the required equation. So what is that equation, ma, here? X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So see that x square minus 4x plus 1. X square minus 4x plus 1. So option 1 is correct, ma, here. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Am I clear to you? Yes. So here this is answer for that 6th question.